Hello students, welcome back to our SST classroom. Students, last video we started our chapter, right? We started lesson number 3, natural resources. And in that we have discussed about what is natural resources. So students, can you tell me what is natural resources? Things that occur in nature and are useful for us. Okay, so example, rock, soil, minerals, plants and animals. So students, and also we have discussed about the classification of natural resources. It classified into renewable and non-renewable resources, right? And also we have discussed about the uses of natural resources. So students, in today's video we are going to discuss about the conservation of natural resources. So now let's start. So students, we know that nature provides us all our basic needs, but we tend to overexploit it. If we go on exploiting the nature, there will be no more natural resources available in future, right students? If we exploit more the natural resources, if we'll use more and more natural resources, there will be no resource available in future. So students, there is an urgent need to conserve the nature. Some of the needs are to maintain ecological balance for supporting life, to preserve different kinds of species, to make the resource available for present and future generation, to ensure the survival of human race. So for all this, we need to conserve the natural resources. So students, with the increase in population, there is a higher demand for natural resources. Economically richer countries tend to spend or waste more natural resources than poorer countries. Right students? Students, with industrialization, the demand for natural resources has skyrocketed the chart from comparing them to the time before. Right? So with the industrialization, the demand for natural resources has increased. Okay? So because of this industrialization, the demand for natural resources has skyrocketed the chart from comparing them to the time before. Right students? Students, even developing countries need to depend more on natural resources for their growth and development. Right? And even densely populated countries, densely populated means you can say overpopulation, okay, more population. So densely populated countries such as India, China, Indonesia need large amount of natural resources to fulfill their needs. Right students? So students, now the rising demand of various natural resources has reduced their availability. For example, cutting down of trees, killing of animals, right? Students, some species of monkey and birds are already extinct in India. Students, extinct means a species of plant or animal that is no longer living. Okay? So students, some species of monkeys and birds are already extinct in India. Okay? Dolphins in river Ganga are also facing the danger of extinction. Okay, means even the dolphin is facing the danger of extinction. You can see that there will be no longer will see the dolphin in the river Ganga. Okay. Now students, the quality of air, water, land resources is also suffering due to overuse and misuse. Right students? So students, for example, we dump garbage in open place, right? And even water bodies. So this what happen? This pollute air, water and soil. And students, you all know polluted water and air are harmful for living. Right students? So students, the future of earth and its people depend upon our ability to maintain and preserve natural resources. Right? Thus, all natural resources should be used carefully and responsibly. If we want in the future that natural resources should be present, so what we have to do? We have to use it very carefully. Okay students, I hope you all have understood about today's topic, that is conservation of natural resources. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day.